So, Skills at Home Tinfoil Boat Challenge. This is Isaiah Vanderkooy, grade 4, Lakeview School, DSBN. And design note, there are 14 dimes used within the boat walls. We will show where those are. So Isaiah has used dimes to help with his boat wall construction. You can see they are here and here. And he has created red dots inside of his boat in all positions that there are already dimes. So 1, 2, 3, plus 4 in this end, 3 more here, and 4 down in this end. All right, we will begin adding more coins. Pull the water forward. All right, nice and centered. And here we go. All right, Isaiah's adding a toonie. So he has now added 4 toonies. Now we're moving to loonies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're moving to quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And moving on to nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, I think we're getting there. Oh no! There we go.